Welcome to demo number 2 in the Fleet Management video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how certificate management works in VCF Operations and why managing certificate from a single pane of glass is such a powerful capability. In VCF 9, certificate management has been redesigned. So instead of jumping between multiple management consoles like vCenter, NSX, SDDC Manager, and other appliances, VCF Operations gives you one unified view where you can see certificate health, renewal status, the certificate authority in use, and all lifecycle actions. This centralized workflow reduces operational overhead, eliminates configuration drift, and ensures your entire VCF stack stays secure, compliant, and up-to-date with minimal effort. To show you this in action, I've logged into VCF Operations, and from the main dashboard I navigate to Fleet Management, and then I will choose Certificates. Here I can immediately see the overall certificate status from my environment and all VCF components that are currently using certificates. Certificate management in VCF 9 is flexible and it works with Microsoft, OpenSSL, or any external CAs. Here I provide the URL of my CA server and the username password that can connect to it. And lastly, I provide the template name and save the configuration. By the green message, I can confirm the certificate authority is updated successfully. So now I go to my management domain to renew the certificate of my vCenter server. Before renewing the certificate, let's check the current certificate details. Here you can see the issuer is VMware Engineering and is valid till 19th of September 2027. To perform the certificate renewal, you first need to generate a CSR and provide some basic information including organization, organization unit, country, state locality, host, key size, and then save it. It takes about a minute until the CSR is generated. As the next step, if you haven't integrated your certificate authority yet, you can simply export the generated CSR and send it to your certificate team. Once they provide you with the signed CA certificate, you can import it here. However, since I've already integrated my CA, I can directly replace the existing certificate with a CA signed certificate. In this example, I select Microsoft CA. You will notice a warning indicating that replacing certificate with those signed by a Microsoft CA may cause disruption if the CA configuration changes. I acknowledge the warning and proceed. The renewal process takes a couple of minutes, but I've speeded up the video so you don't really need to wait. After the certificate is renewed, I refresh the page and you can see the update immediately. The certificate type now shows Microsoft CA, the issuer is Rainpool CA, and the validity period has been extended until November 2027. Another great feature that's now available is auto-renewal. When enabled, certificates will automatically renew before they expire, reducing manual work and preventing service disruptions. Here, as the note states, if you are using Microsoft CA, you need to ensure that you have already configured it before enabling this feature. I confirm, and by going to my management domain, I can see that the auto-renewal now has been activated. Another great feature introduced in version 9 is the ability to manage ES6 certificates directly from the certificate dashboard. By toggling the Show ES6 Host option, I can quickly view the certificate status and expiry dates for all my ES6 hosts as well. With that, we reached to the end of this video, but make sure to follow me for the next episode, where I will walk you through how to configure VMware Identity Broker. Thanks for watching.